I want you to produce a storyboard on that great big grey wall at the back here. Now I have got some props to help you, and I'm not so sure how to do this, so what I'm going to do, I think, is I've tried to put these photographs, these images, okay, in some sort of chronological order from the award, through a journey from left to right, across to the background. So what I was thinking of doing is, what would be interesting is to see you two tables, 2 or 3 tables. I want you to attack. Start that way, look this way. Yeah. And I'll help you. Yeah, stick them up. And you can start from, that's obviously when the actual show's just kick-starting, isn't it? So say from about the middle that way, goes. Come on, let's get off your feet. Scissors. What is that red tape? Got some red tape on that. So you know what that's for, don't you? To connect the pictures together. Right, I'll give you till 11 to do that. Oh, by the way, these images here, those are the prospective winners. So they might have to go. And that one is just a guest being interviewed. And I would encourage you lot as a group to start, have the courage to start off at the end, not in the middle, and work your way that way. Just have the courage to do it.
Is it like super going backwards?
Go backwards, right from the end, yeah.
Right, we were going right from the end.
When you're designing, sometimes you have to start at the front and work forward, and then sometimes you have to go backwards, yeah. Group 3 and 4, so obviously 3 and 4. You're going to map the thoughts and feelings of the male winner and the female winner going through this. Talk to each other, think about what you'd be thinking at various stages.